Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your Bluetooth pairing issues in both Android and iPhone phones. So firstly we have to enter settings, and then on iPhone we have to head over Bluetooth. On an Android phone we have to enter the connected devices and then country preferences and then Bluetooth. Now we have to disable Bluetooth. Then we have to make sure that our device is disconnected from any other device. Now, after 10 or 20 seconds, we have to enable Bluetooth back again and turn on our speaker. Now, as you can see, our device is here. If you still don't see your speaker and you can't connect with the speaker, you have to do a hard reset of it. To do so, hold the power button for 8 seconds. If you still can't connect to your speaker, you have to contact the device support. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.